Hi friends, let me show you this beautiful mirror that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a wall-mounted mirror, so easy to install. You get this guide that you will fix to the wall and the mirror will rest here. You get the accessories that you need to install it: screws, a lever, and some nuts and anchors. And this is the actual mirror. Okay? You can see it's beautiful. It has a black frame. And you can install it either in a vertical way or in a horizontal. Okay? So let's install it and see how it looks. So friends, as you can see, it's a beautiful mirror. It gives a nice ambience to any room in your home, in your office. It has this nice black frame and the size is great, as you can see. Let me show you the details of the frame. Okay. It has like this, almost an inch. Okay. So it's like a wide frame, but it has this inside. So it's nice. It's kind of modern, but very minimalistic. Okay. So I think it's a nice mirror for any wall, any space in your home, like here in our living room. Okay. If you need a modern style mirror, this is a really nice option. Thank you.